The triumph of Goddess Durga and the power of Azure Data Engineering. The battlefield was fierce. Mahishasura spread chaos across the heavens. No god could defeat him until Goddess Durga emerged. With divine strength and wisdom, she rode into battle on her lion. Each strike cut through the darkness of ignorance. Her trident pierced deception, and her chakra spun with unstoppable force. Mahishasura fell, restoring balance to the world. Just like Durga fought against disorder, businesses today battle chaotic data. It's trapped, slow to process, and inefficient. At Vaanii Technologies, the battle isn't against demons, but data challenges. Azure Data Engineering is the ultimate weapon. Azure organizes vast data lakes just as Durga tamed wild forces, making data accessible and useful. Her weapons were many, just like tools that process massive data sets efficiently, like Databricks and Spark. In Azure, AI-powered automation optimizes pipelines, helping users just like divine assistants help Durga. Azure ensures data security and compliance, protecting the data just as Durga protected the world. Victory is not just about fighting harder, it's about learning smarter. Vaanii empowers learners with Azure Data Engineering courses. This Vijaya Dashami, step into your power, master Azure, conquer data, and lead the future. Wishing you strength, wisdom, and victory in all aspects of life. Happy Vijaya Dashami.